Hello guys, in today's video I want to guide you on how to fix this issue why is your Google Chrome browser that says this site cannot be reached. So we're going to deal with this using command prompts. This is very simple and this is one of the rare solutions you normally find on the internet. To do that is very simple. Come to this place, type in CMD, now right click, then run as administrator, then click on yes when it opens. It brings to this interface. Now here are the command prompts you need to use. So I will drop this in the comment section. Copy the first link, the first command. Come to this place, right click and hit the enter button. Then you see this option that says successfully reset the netsh catalog. Then go to the same place and copy the next option to reset everything that you have been doing here. Then you have access to this information. It's going to reset every issue that is on your catalog, that is on your proxy, that makes your Google Chrome not to open any website. Now the third prompt is going to flush any other thing that might hinder your website from being opening on your Google Chrome browser. So just copy this and come to this place, then right click, then you're going to paste this code. Then you see that window IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver check. So with this, now go ahead and open Google Chrome browser on your device. So now you can see that Chrome browser is working perfectly on my device. So try this out. Let me know if you're able to deal with this issue using these command prompts. And that's all guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, even drop your comments. Let us know what you feel about this information in the comment section. See you soon guys on our next video.